Here we have a gas system that fits on a diesel engine, dual fuel. Here is a row of the mechanical parts. Here is the brain of it. Here's a Venturi mixer. It will depend on the size of the engine, how big or small you need one. Here's a stepper valve that will control the flow to the engine of gas, controlled by this one. Here's a pressure regulator. This is a zero pressure system. So we get the gas here half psi, and we get the 0 psi here. And here's the shutoff valve that will open up if the system sees RPM, otherwise it will not open. Same thing if you go on overspeed, over temperature, etc., then this will shut down. So this pipeline here doesn't fit my engine that I'm gonna use as a demonstration. So I made another one. It's all the same parts. Only thing, I took an elbow here, and that fits better my engine. On this engine, I use a Venturi mixer size MX42. So let's go to the engine and see how long it takes me to install this system. Here we have a diesel engine, 4-cylinder, John Deere. It's only diesel. We're gonna make it running with the gas and diesel. The air filter has to go off. Then we need the appropriate hose on the intake. I take the pipeline and put it in the hose. I have a bracket here. Hose clamp here. I will put the air filter here. Now we will put the gas hose on. Gas hose, 14 liters of gas. Comes here. Now you can see it's on the engine. Next thing, we have to hook up the wires. Because this is a demonstration video, I will not bracket or anything for it. So put the controller here. I already made wiring harness for this. The wiring harness is put up here. Then we start to hook it up. There's no special way to do that. Here's the stepper valve. So you plug it in here. Then the shut-off valve. Then I have an exhaust temperature sensor. I will plug in here. And then we have a speed sensor that we will plug in where the speed sensor is. Of course, we will need power to the unit. We have a current transducer for this engine. I use a 100 amp current transducer. This one will send signal when the load is put on the engine and send signal to this one, to the controller. Here I have the panel from the generator, and I take the current controller. In this case is open, so I put it on one leg and lock it in.